Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app. To know how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window of LinkedIn and you click here. As you see in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.